Hey traders, welcome back to MarketPulse USA. In this video, we're breaking down the latest US stock market action, including SPY and QQQ key levels, the top stocks to watch, Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, a smart trading psychology tip, plus a beginner lesson that can really improve your setups. Let's get right into it. Today, the US markets saw gains from broad buying after investor sentiment improved. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both climbed, supported by easing geopolitical concerns and relief that tariff threats were shelved, a key reason stocks bounced back. Futures also showed strength, with the Nasdaq and S&P futures up as traders priced in continued bullish activity. Despite some volatility, buyers stepped in and markets remained steady. Now let's map the SPY levels, very important for tomorrow's plan. Support: approximate 686 to 682. Next support: 678. Resistance: 691 to 696. So watch how price behaves around 686 first. If bulls hold this area, we see strength. But a rejection near 691 could roll prices back into a pullback phase. Now let's break down QQQ, which tells us where tech is headed. Support levels: about 618-612. Resistance levels: 622-626. If QQQ breaks above 622 with good volume, that signals renewed tech strength into tomorrow. But rejection at resistance could draw price back towards 618 to 612. Here are the top stocks moving today and worth watching. 1. Tesla, TSLA, high beta play that remains volatile, supports near key prior lows. 2. Apple, AAPL, long-term favorite, support turned resistance still pivotal. 3. Nvidia, NVDA, leading tech mover, watch for continuation signals. These names often influence broader market trend, especially Nvidia and Nasdaq. Now quick but powerful psychology tip: don't chase green days. Just because stocks bounce doesn't mean you jump in randomly. Wait for clear levels, either a pullback to support or a clean breakout with confirmation. Discipline keeps your account alive. For beginners, aligning multiple indicators helps reduce fake moves. Candlestick pattern: a bullish engulfing at support equals strong sign. RSI: above 50 on a bounce equals momentum is in your favor. MACD: cross above signal line equals follow-through potential. Combining these gives you quality setups instead of random guesses. So to recap, watch SPY support at 686 to 682 and resistance near 691 to 696. QQQ levels 618 to 626 are key for tech. Stocks like TSLA, AAPL, NVDA are still major movers. Stay disciplined, trade setups, not emotions. If this helped you, smash that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily updates right here on MarketPulse USA. Not financial advice, trade safe.